Hey everyone, welcome back to smarthome. In today's video, we're going to tackle a question that a lot of you have been asking. How can you install Firefox on your Roku device? While Roku doesn't support web browsers like Firefox directly, there are a few ways you can still access web content through your Roku. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Understand the limitations. First things first, it's important to understand that Roku doesn't officially support the installation of third-party web browsers, including Firefox. However, we can use screen mirroring or casting from other devices to access web content on your TV through Roku. Let's look at the options you have. Step 2. Using screen mirroring with an Android device. Option 1 is using screen mirroring with an Android device. Here's how you can do it. 1. On your Android device, swipe down to open the quick settings panel and look for cast or screen mirroring. 2. Select your Roku device from the list of available devices. 3. Once connected, open Firefox on your Android device, and you'll see it mirrored on your TV screen through Roku. Now you can browse the web using Firefox on your Android, and everything will be displayed on your Roku-connected TV. Step 3. Using screen mirroring with a Windows PC. Next, let's talk about screen mirroring with a Windows PC. 1. On your Windows PC, go to Settings and select System. 2. Click on Display and then connect to a wireless display. 3. Choose your Roku device from the list. 4. Open Firefox on your PC and your screen will be mirrored to your TV. This method works great if you prefer using a larger screen and a keyboard for browsing. Step 4. Using Roku's web browser channels. Lastly, while there isn't an official Firefox app for Roku, there are a couple of web browser channels available on the Roku channel store. Let's take a look. 1. Go to the Roku home screen and open the streaming channel section. 2. Search for web browsers like Web Browser X or Popier Web Browser. 3. Add one of these channels to your Roku. These browsers are quite basic compared to Firefox, but they can be useful for simple web browsing tasks. Conclusion. And there you have it. While you can't install Firefox directly on Roku, you can still enjoy web browsing on your TV using these methods. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.